5 Best Mops for Ceramic Tile Floors Reviews. Number 1. McCulloch Heavy Duty Mop. Considered to be the best mop for ceramic floors by most of the people who have used this product, this heavy-duty steam mop from McCulloch not only cleans the floors perfectly, but also keeps windows, vehicles and your appliances spotlessly clean. This heavy-duty steam mop from McCulloch is definitely the best mop for ceramic tile floors and grout, because of the steam pressure and deep cleaning services it offers you. Number 2. Home Microfiber Spray Mop. Are you looking for a mop that helps you clean your floors perfectly? Do you want a mop that doesn't leave out any residue and one that leaves the floors completely dry immediately after mopping? The super powerful Home Microfiber Spray Mop is the best choice for you. Comes with an ergonomically designed handle. Mop head can rotate a full 360 degrees. Comes with 3 washable microfiber pads, which helps you replace the wet pads with dry one easily. Refillable bottle can be filled with any cleaning solution to make your floors sparkling bright. Number 3. Viso Power Fresh Steam Mop. Most of the mops available in the market are only designed to clean the floors of visible dust particles. However, what about the invisible grout and grime accumulated in the corners? You need a robust, steam-powered mop to get rid of these hard stains. That's exactly why the Viso Power Fresh Steam Mop is the best mop for ceramic tile floors and grout. While the steam-powered Viso mop works reasonably to get rid of harsh stains without the use of any chemicals, you may find it lacking in the durability department. Number 4. Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. Looking for a mess-free mop that helps you to clean your floors spotlessly with minimum effort and great power? The uniquely designed Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop is the apt choice for you in this case. Its hands-free model enables you to deep clean the floors without experiencing any strain. Though the Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop from Cedar is mess-free and easy to use, it is highly recommended for very small homes only. Number 5. Persteam Therma Pro 10-in-1. You will not be disappointed with Persteam's Therma Pro 10-in-1 steam mop, which is designed to handle multiple functionalities. If you are looking for a premium, high quality and the best mop to clean ceramic tile floors, look no further than this product. At a reasonable cost, Persteam's Thermo Pro 10-in-1 is definitely designed to provide good value for your money. It comes with the warranty, so you have nothing to lose by investing in this right now.